From the very first sketch I did thinking about this project to the very end, I want to walk you through how I did this. Here's a snapshot of my farm and just some of the rocks that I used and the property and just the feel of the place. I started out by placing the big boulders where they would permanently be. I didn't use all the ones that the boys are playing on, but here I'm moving the bottom boulder to its permanent location. I played a lot with how to stack the rocks, and we started out by drilling for rebar in the base of the structure just for stability. You have to keep water on these bits while you're drilling, or else they'll get too hot, but I still went through probably 15 bits. My friend Ray helped me drill into the huge boulders, and then he helped me learn how to use the different drills and stuff like that. The R2 here is just one of my labeling examples where I would have R1, R2, R3, L1, L2, L3, and so on for the right and left columns, so I would know where to place the different rocks. You see this structure here that I built to thread the rocks onto what I was calling the giant necklace. But I really did work on this day and night. Here I'm drilling in inappropriate footwear. It was hot and kind of tiring drilling 63 rocks that actually made it. And we probably broke 63 others in the process because the little rocks wanted to break. My husband and his friend Dale helped me put the big arch over the base, and that was a really big undertaking. Just making sure everything lined up and balanced. And you can see we've braced it with some wood just for now. This little cairn represents my family, and the rock over it is kind of like a little roof over our heads. And the motion of the right side of the archway is meant to coincide with the rock that is jutting out on the left side. I called it open door because I want it to be kind of an open door in the front of the property where we are doing arts and environmental education, and maybe as I build my rock garden, it will be kind of a beacon for welcoming those in the community who would like to be involved. I like this little creek and just wanted to show you where this thing lives. And I look forward to doing more of these. It's definitely not perfect, but it was an exploration. It was an experiment. It was difficult, and I took a lot of notes that I will use next time. And I can't wait to see what else I can learn from experimenting with this crazy medium that occurs right in our backyards.